So next we're quickly going to put together the scene that our game's going to take place in the Unreal Engine. So I'm going to quickly put together how I envision the game looking inside the scene by using this basic block here. I'll duplicate that and use it as a back wall. I'm just going to go for a very simple setup. You can use Q, W, and E to swap between the different types of tools, or they're also accessible at the top in the right corner here. More primitives in the menu on the left, but I don't think we need those right now. Just copy and pasting the bases gives everything we need. Next, we're going to right click in the content browser and create a new blueprint. And this time we're going to make a pawn. It's going to represent our place in the world and give us access to the key inputs, etc. from the player. Another good use for this is to position our camera in the world. So we're going to use a new add component in the top left corner. We're going to add a spring arm. This is going to give us a variable distance for center to the camera. We're going to set the length to 1200 for this because it's about right. And then we're going to add a camera by adding component again. Compile it out and save. And then we're going to go back to the game mode. If you haven't got it open, you can go into the where we're going here, but if you haven't got it open, it's in the content browser here. You can just double click it. We're going to change the default pawn, and we're going to set it to the one we just created, my pawn, or my player, depending on what you named it. So once we've saved that out, go back and hit play, you'll see that it's starting to look right. My back wall's a little, I'll just adjust this out, scale it out a bit better. And other than the fact that it's all square looking, it should be somewhat right now. So we'll just add a new material, and I'm going to call this black, just to give some spacey feel. And if we just apply that to those surfaces and then double click it to jump in and edit it, we're just going to right click on the base color and hit the promote to parameter, and that's going to give us a color selector on the left, but it's defaulted to black, so we're going to leave that. But it's kind of shiny, so we're also going to right click on promote the specular, and that'll give us a parameter which is defaulted to 0, which will just get rid of that shininess. So now what we need to do is hit play again, and well, we're back to having nothing again, boys, but we're getting there.